Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me today as we look at what it looks like when a teacher is sharing a whiteboard with the students. Okay, so inside of Zoom, there is a tool that allows teachers to have a white space where they can draw and they can write and they can put in text and they can add images and different information just as if they were writing on a whiteboard in the classroom. Now, when students are working on a Chromebook, they don't have the option of also writing on the whiteboard. So this is just going to be where the teacher is going to write on it and the students are going to watch. Okay, why a teacher might use this tool is if they want to model how to solve a math problem, if they want to kind of draw out something that they're trying to explain, something similar to that. Okay, so what you're seeing on your screen right now, we're going to make this full screen, is the students' view on a Chromebook inside a Zoom meeting. Okay, and our teacher is going to share a whiteboard with them. So here is our whiteboard. Okay, and so what we see here is what the teacher is going to be writing on the whiteboard for the student. Okay, so we have our tool here, and the teacher maybe is going to put in a stamp to kind of just say, here are our points for today. And so we can see the stamps that are showing up. The teacher may draw. If they're explaining a process, they're going to draw. So here is, maybe we're doing some math. And we're talking to our students and exploring how do we solve this problem of 4 plus 16. And it does not like my line going in there. That's okay. All right. Or the teacher may put in some text. Okay, so what is the sum of 4 plus 16? And the teacher's going to, so we've got some text, we've got our math problem, we have some different stamps that we can put in. Teachers can, there's a lot of things here that teachers can change. Okay, and so we can see what this looks like for our students. Okay, when the teacher is done, then the teacher will stop sharing. And when the teacher stops sharing, we're right here back in our Zoom session. Okay, so that's it very quickly. Remember for students to get to Zoom, when they log into the Chromebook, they're going to be in Infinite Campus. In Infinite Campus, they're going to click on the Message Center. From the Message Center, they're going to click on Google Classroom. They have to scroll down the screen to get to there. Once in Google Classroom, they need to click on the class for the teacher that they're meeting with. When they're in that specific classroom, then they need to click on the Classwork tab. This is an important piece. Got to click Classwork, and then there will be a space in Google Classroom where the teacher has put the Zoom link that students will click on to join their Zoom session. Alrighty, that's it. Pretty quick and efficient. The whiteboard tool, when students are in a Zoom meeting, this is something that the teachers will turn on and off, and the teachers will use. And they'll use that whiteboard tool to model something that they're explaining to try to help make it clearer for the students so that they can understand better. Okay, that's it for our video today. Thank you very much for joining me.